I'm going back to Florida. I won't be needing one of these, but you will if you stay in here.
Like just yesterday.
I know. It comes so quick. Okay.
Pick up the controller.
Okay.
And the power button is on the right. And we are just lowering it. These buttons look. So you see the up button is for up, left, right. Yeah, you don't have to. You push it all the way down. All the way down.
Ah! What else?
We can go up, and we can turn it left and right. I'll get the left hand. The left button. The left.
And down. That's
See,
what
now
I like.
It's almost like you're.
Okay,
So
I
much
think
more
we're good. We didn't hurt anyone. No one's toes have been injured. I think this is good. I think we can
Safety
wrap it up.
first at Tux Trucks.
You need
job,
like
though,
you
Grace.
need like a jingle. No? Tux trucks.
Okay, we'll work on that.
Something. Tux trucks.
We used to be the truck talking boys from Tux Trucks. If you're talking trucks, you're talking Tux. And we don't just stock. I'm sorry. we don't just talk trucks. We stock trucks. That's one of the things we used to do.
I like that.
Okay, we'll have
Can
to
you
work
sing
on
it?
that. I think I'll need some music.
Okay. We'll need a little practice. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.